One of the biggest mistakes I made as a new YouTuber when I was starting my first YouTube channels few months ago was to upload my video directly from my YouTube app using this plus icon. And I see a new YouTuber making this mistake today. I know how it feels to put all your time, energy and money to create a content, upload it, waiting to see your video blowing up, but unfortunately nothing positive happened. No views, no subscribers, and little to no impression. Today, we are going to solve these problems. I'm going to show you step by step on how to upload video on YouTube the right way and get more views using the right tools. Listen to me before you click off. You might be thinking this is a startup channel and I don't have anything to offer. If that is what you are thinking, then you got it all wrong. This is actually my second channel dedicated to teach you basically how to scale through any problems. Now allow me to show you the right tool and right way to upload your video on YouTube and get plenty views as much as you can. So we are not going to be using this YouTube software, that is this YouTube app. You are not going to be using it, but another better way. And the reason is that in this YouTube software you have a limited setting. You don't really have access to some setting, and in the tools I'm going to show you, you have a wider option than this. You have unlimited access that will trigger the algorithm to push your video out. So just head over to Google and search YouTube dashboard. Okay, and scroll down. You see YouTube Studio. Okay, so guys, if you follow the YouTube Studio here, if you follow the link that say YouTube Studio, if you open your YouTube Studio on your computer, look at this icon, this particular icon. You see, this is great. This is one of the way to upload video also, and this arrow also is another way that you can upload your video. Now let's try to upload one video so that I'll show you the settings that we are talking about, the setting that can make YouTube to push your video out there. The main purpose of this video is to show you how to upload your video in the right way using the right tool on YouTube. So now let's try to upload one video and see the setting that I'm talking about. So just go ahead and click this create and then upload a video. Let's see, look at this, select file. I can drag and drop my file here, or I'll just click this select file. Now let me just click this select file. Let's try upload a short video. So guys, as you can see, this is title, the title, right? And then your description, and then thumbnail, and then playlist, and then your video audience. Yes, your video audience. So these are the basic things that you are going to see when you are uploading your video from the YouTube software, when you are using the YouTube app. So those are the basic settings that you are going to see. Do you understand? So those are the only tools that are available that you have access to when you are uploading your video using that plus icon on your YouTube app. I've already uploaded this video before, so but let's just give it a name so that I'll show you the difference between the YouTube Studio and the YouTube software, and the limited setting, the limited tools. Let's say what? Let's say the description. Let's just type something, and then you can choose your thumbnail. Let's say, let me add one thumbnail, anyone. Let me just put this as my thumbnail. For the purpose of this video, let's just choose a thumbnail, random thumbnail. Select playlist. As you can see in this place, you can select your playlist. On YouTube Studio, you can select your playlist. Now playlist is just you grouping some of your related video in a particular folder. It's just like you created a folder and then group some particular video on a particular folder. So that's what about this playlist. And then this is your audience. Let's say no, it's not made for kids. Then show more. If you click down, you see show more. As you can see, let's click OK. Okay guys, this is the advanced setting that you cannot find on your YouTube app. So if you are uploading video from your YouTube app, you are not going to see this advanced setting. Look at this. This is end screen. This is add an end screen. This is add card. Now cards is just basically when you want to promote related content during your video. That is card. You can never see these cards on your YouTube software, on your YouTube app. If you are uploading using your YouTube app, you are not going to see this card. And this end screen, you are not going to see it. Now what is end screen? Now basically end screen is just you looping your video. Like for example now, I have I have like 20 or 100 video on my YouTube channel. If someone watch a particular video, like this video that we are going to upload, if someone watch this video, at the end of the video, maybe 2 seconds or 5 seconds before the end of the video that the person is watching, YouTube will suggest my another video, like another video from my own channel to the person watching that particular video, to that viewer that is currently watching that particular video. Do you understand? Instead of YouTube to suggest another person video to my viewer, YouTube will suggest my own video to the person, and if the person click it, then it will continue watching my own video, maybe another video related to the video is watching, or another entirely video. It depends on the end screen, it depends on the video that you put at the end screen. Do you understand? So to do this end screen, just come here, as you can see, this is import from video. If you click it, it will open some of your video to you. Now look at it. How do you want the end screen to be? Do you understand? This one video plus 1 subscriber. Now let me tell you something. This one video plus 1 subscriber, now a video, one of your video will be showing here. Do you understand? A video will be showing here, and this video is clickable. When they click this video, that is showing, maybe the person is about to finish the video that brought the person to your channel. When the person is about to finish it, then YouTube will suggest another of your video from your channel to the person. Do you understand? And the video will show here. So when the person click this video, when the video is about to finish, even though the person did not click it and your video finish, automatically YouTube will take the person to this particular video. With that, you gain more views, and if the person like the video, then the person will stick to it. Do you understand? So do you see one of the advantage of uploading your video using this particular software? If you can never find these tools if you are uploading your video from your YouTube app. Do you understand? So now, if you add this end screen to this particular video that I'm going to upload, this end screen, one video will be here, and one subscriber button will be here. Do you see the advantage? A subscriber button is going to be here. The person can actually click this subscriber button. The button will be here. The person can actually click it, and then automatically the person will subscribe to your YouTube channel, instead of the person to scroll down before you subscribe. Do you see the advantage? Or else you can position it here. Like me, I'll prefer using this one. Do you understand? Because this one is up here. Okay guys, here's another feature that you are not going to see on YouTube app if you are uploading your video from YouTube app, which is tags. For example, this tag now, you cannot see it on your YouTube app if you are uploading using your YouTube. And this tag is different from your hashtag that you do put at the end of your description. Do you understand? This tag is different. They are not the same. This one, on this particular tag, you can just come here and just type money. Do you understand? And just click enter. You have already add one tag. Do you understand? But assuming it's the one on the description of your video, you are going to put hash. You put maybe something like this. But in this case, no. Just go ahead and just type the keywords and then click enter. Automatically it will show like this. So that is tags for you. Tags is just a keyword about the video that will make the video more visible to the public. Do you understand? And here, caption certificate. Do you understand? Recording date and location. Do you understand? There are a whole lot here that you cannot see on your YouTube app. And here, if you come down again, there's category. Do you understand? This category is basically for you to categorize your video. Now, if your video is a comedy, if you click it, if your video is a comedy, you can just come here and choose comedy. If your video is just entertainment, maybe film or music, you can just come here and then click it. Do you understand? You can never find this category when you are uploading from your YouTube app. Do you understand? This is another feature that is available here that is not available on your YouTube app. That is why I'll advise you that when you want to upload your video, you should be uploading it using your YouTube Studio app. And it's very, very important. You cannot just come, create a video and then upload it and then you expect people to watch it. No, it's not happening like that. Maybe you create a video on how to teach people how to do something and then you just upload it. So you need to mention the categories of the video. Do you understand? If you mention the category, YouTube will now understand, oh, this video is about tutorial, and then YouTube will now put the video under tutorial. So anybody searching for tutorial video, YouTube will be able to suggest your video to that person. So that is the importance of category. It's just to categorize your video. As you know, everything have category, different type of something, everything. And here is a playlist. On your YouTube app, you cannot create a playlist when you are uploading a video. Yes, you can create it. Maybe you have before, or when you are done uploading the video. But here, if you maybe you are uploading some particular video and you think that you change your mind that this video is another thing. This video is different from the kind of video that I've been creating. So let me create a playlist for it. For here, you can easily create a playlist, but on your YouTube app, you cannot. Do you understand? So guys, this is the difference between you uploading your video from your YouTube app and uploading your video from your YouTube studio. As you can see, there are a whole lot of difference here. Yes, there are a whole lot of difference, and with this one you can easily get more views. Do you understand? More subscribers. YouTube will easily push your video to the public. Do you understand? With this, the algorithm may favor you than you uploading directly without categorizing, without you putting the right information, using the right tool to optimize the video. Do you understand? If you optimize the video very well, there's percentage of you having more views than when you don't optimize it very well. So thank you very much for watching this video. I do really appreciate you. This is How To by Big Jonah, where we teach you basically how to do anything. So if you have any further problem, drop the problem at the comment section. If you have any issue, just drop it. We are here to help you. Do you understand? Thank you for watching to the very end. We do really appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful. Even though if you don't find this video helpful, please, I put all my time to create this video. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel for no reason. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.